After Battle of Plassey, Mir Qasim, Mir Jafar became Nawab. After Mir Jafar, Mir Qasim became Nawab. Let us learn from the text what are the deeds or achievements of Mir Qasim. Battle of Buxar 1764. Mir Qasim was an efficient administrator. In the beginning, he remained loyal to the company. He paid 2 lakh pounds to the company and gave away few places to it. Shortly, he declared himself as an independent king. After verifying the misuse of dastakats, he declared that business is duty free in Bengal. As a result, Indians competed against British in all spheres of business. As a result, British trade suffered considerably. This was enough for the British to oppose the Nawab. They they brought in Mir Jafar again and dethroned Mir Qasim. As Mir Qasim knew about the cunningness of British, he went to an organized war against him. He was supported by Indian merchants and artisans. Mir Qasim entered into agreements with Mughal ruler Shah Alam II and Nawab of Awadh Shuja ud-Dawla. Shah Alam II, Mughal Emperor, Nawab of Awadh Shuja ud-Dawla and Mir Qasim entered to an agreement. Combined forces of Mir Qasim faced British army led by Hector Munro at Buxar in 1764. Hector Munro was the commander in English East India Company side. You can see Buxar here. Mir Qasim got defeated and ran away from the battlefield. Shah Alam II surrendered. The efforts of combined forces to stop the British force failed completely.